My name is Xing. I'm the regional manager of ETP China. I oversee all the programs that is currently running in China. The top issues in China are, the first one is the carbon emission. And our President Xi Jinping has already announced that China will reach carbon neutrality by 2060. So in response to this, the China's Ministry of Ecology and Environment is now revising the national industry regulation, along with a new set of carbon emission standards. And this time, tea factories will be first time included in these new standards. The second issue that we have identified is the left behind children. So in China, we have about 9 million of left behind children whose parents migrate to larger cities looking for a better income job. Left behind vulnerables like children, women, and elderly people. During our visits to different tea communities, education has always been the key agenda for the village governments. And the last issue that we would like to focus on is the smallholder farmers. So as you're probably aware that smallholder farmers in China are often surrounded around a village where there is a small primary processing factory. And the smallholders are most diffused, fragmented, and least traceable part of the supply chain. The biggest challenges we found over there is that the lack of awareness of PPE use, appropriate use of personal protective equipment, and lack of knowledge on the pruning techniques, as well as the abuse of fertilizer uses. The four biggest achievements I'm proud to let you know is that, first of all, in the last 12 months, we've signed 5 MOUs with primary producers in China, and this is the first time they have signed up to a formal commitment for the ETP program to be implemented in China. The second thing is we've built several new relationships with academics like universities, research institutes, and we've built new relationships with government agencies like China Tea Marketing Associations, and with in-country civil society partners, and of course with UNICEF in China. And the third biggest achievement I am proud to say is that since the 1st of June this year, we've successfully opened our first Wechat official account in China. This will serve as a platform for monitor evaluation work for China, and ETP will officially be recognized as an international company in China. The last thing that we are proud to say is that over the last 3 years, during the implementation of Farmer Field School program, we've successfully helped the farmers to change the habits of fertilizer uses and pruning techniques. Looking ahead, we have several projects that are aligned with ETP strategy, and under the economics pillar, we have the Factory Risk Assessment Project. This is a project to support members in increasing the transparency of your supply chain in China, and then we'll be looking at several key aspects. And under the equality pillar, we'll be starting a new exciting project called the Child Friendly Space. And the primary beneficiaries of this project will be left behind children and their moms and their grandmoms. Under the environment pillar, we have the Farmer Field School program and the demonstration plot embedded under the Farmer Field School program. And this program is looking at improving the good agricultural practices, especially the pruning techniques as well as encouraging the farmers to use appropriate personal protective equipment.